Bad rainstorm. See how dark it is in the house? And then let's open the door and see outside. This is out our front door. Not sure how long this video will be because I don't want the rain coming in. It's a bad one. Look at the trees, the way they're swaying. These are the trees along our driveway. To the right brings us to the front of the property. To the right brings us to the back of our property to get to the street. Then the left brings us out the front entrance where we wait for the bus stop. See how the door swung shut? Not sure, I may have gotten a flash of lightning a few moments ago, but hearing some thunder in the background. That's to the right. That leads towards the little side street we go down to get to the main road. Well, you guys see it in my walks on the my videos. It's not the main road, but it's the side street that will take us to a road that will bring us to the main road. I start videoing and the rain cuts down. It looks lighter on the video than it actually is outside. It's a little bit darker outside, not much darker. Here comes the rain again. See it pounding on the porch. Power went out for a few moments and then it came back on. But I'm gonna probably charge my phone again in a little bit. I want to try not to let it go below 80%. But I want to try and get a little video, being this is a bad one. I'm figuring power might go out again. Only went out for about 5 minutes. I'm uploading a video and this storm is probably gonna play with the internet, so it takes longer to upload. I mean, it's a big video, so it's probably gonna take a day or two anyway, but I'm hoping not more than 2. It's supposed to rain all week. That's what's dripping off. I guess the little bit of the roof that's just past the door. Rain. Oh, I'm glad I'm getting a lot of rain videos lately. Oh my, look at those trees. I'd open an umbrella and go out, but my legs and sneakers will be drenched. I mean, my legs will dry off, but so I'm a little shaky with the phone, holding it with my left hand. I just switched back to my right hand. Like I said, I'm not sure how long I'm going to make this. I don't like the way those trees are blowing. And here comes the door again. And a little bit of the floor that is getting wet, I don't mind mopping, because it's not much. Oh dear God, protect my family that's out having to do errands. They couldn't get out of the appointment. And for my nephew who is at work, for the cars to be safe, and or for anybody that's at work, and for the cars not to go through buildings. Please protect everybody that's out, because they have to be out working or at a doctor or the vet or wherever they just happen to be going. I don't care if it's my family or anybody else's family. Just protect all those that are out there. I'm sorry the door is so dark in some spots. Seems like the more you scrub it, the more it don't come off. It's the only thing I don't like about some doors. They get stained very easy, and they look dirty no matter how much you clean them. I'm not going to make this too big of a video, because right now the lights came back on, and I'm going to want to use that time to charge as much of my phone as I can. And for family and friends that may not have heard about from us in a while, because our lives are so busy, please feel free to check out my YouTube channel here. I do, I have videos of family, so, you'll get to see us a little bit. I know everybody's not interested in YouTube or, watching videos or whatever. But for those that know us, if you haven't heard from us for a while, if you know of anybody that knows us and that hasn't heard from us, please give them my channel name, Dina's Yo-Yos, so that they can, get in touch with us on the channel here. Not all of my family is subscribed to me, but I can send them a screenshot of the messages of anybody that might be asking for them. So, feel free to use my YouTube channel to contact anybody in my videos, any family in my videos, or if you know any of our friends that are in them. And if I don't have contact info for our friends, one of my sisters will. So please use my YouTube channel as a common ground to talk to each other if you have to. Just pick a family video and shout away in the comments. I don't mind, as long as you don't curse, threaten, or anything. Just be polite, because we do have YouTube guidelines to go by. All I ask is everybody be respectable and polite. Now, I understand that we like to joke around, or on a rare occasion a slip of the tongue, or just don't know how to word ourselves. But please keep it polite, because YouTube can tear my channel down and not let me be a YouTuber anymore. I got too many good videos on here to lose. My YouTube channel is my memory channel for me and my family. As annoying as I might get recording them sometimes. And it's got our pets and some family functions. So right now this is our memory source. Oh, come on, door, stay open a few more minutes. Not gonna record much longer. We're at about 12 and a half minutes. I'd like to try and make this 20 minutes if I can, but I don't know. I really don't want to record too much longer. Oh, come on, door. Stay a few moments. I may have to end this early if the door keeps closing. Hopefully I could get another 7 minutes out of this. If not, then we still have a good video. The rain's getting heavier, it's getting darker, a little bit darker again. Oh, there we go, I adjusted the light a little bit. I'm gonna have to record this through the door now, it's getting too much. Yeah, we got that flash of lightning in here. I'd be happy for a little more thunder. put the power on back on for a little bit, you'll probably just hear the fan going. Last time I saw rain this bad, I think it was a couple days after Easter. Easter Sunday was April 4th. Yeah, happy April 6th, because that's when I got that over an hour video of rain on it, on YouTube. I'm not going to do another hour video. Because my family might be back by then, and I just need to mop the floor a little bit before. It's not wet much, but I want to mop a little bit before they get home. At least I'm not hoping to make it an hour, but and to my Texan friend, I know as you watch this, you're going to be falling asleep. I'm going to have to send you the hour-long one from April 6th when we had that other big storm. And we've had a ton of rain since, but not like this. I think I'm going to stop this one at a half hour. We're at 18 minutes just about. And it'll give me a chance to charge my phone some. Boy, oh boy, it's coming down. Where was this rain yesterday, so I could have made it a little bit longer of a video. Jeez. I might keep this one going a little bit, but I don't know about an hour. Definitely a half hour. Tilting the phone so you can make like you're under it getting soaked. I'm sorry. But just trying to make it a little more appealing. I have a feeling it's going to be an all-day thing. I wish I was able to set a GoPro. I wish I had a GoPro so I could set it up in the one of the windows and just let it record away. If any of my viewers live in or near the desert, here's your rain. We'll just have to find somebody for the snow. Unless we make it to New York and they have snow. when we went to New York in December, we were supposed to have this huge nor'easter. Yeah, sure. We got maybe 4 inches of snow. And yes, it was dangerous walking and driving depending on how well everything was plowed. I stood at our girlfriend's house the whole week. Stood at the hotel with my family for a little bit, because our girlfriend's house wasn't big enough for all of us. And so I stood with them for a week. Stood at the hotel with my sister and the family for an hour or two. Then when we went back, I stood there for the remainder of the week. And we had our fun. We talked, we laughed, we watched a little bit of TV. Crocheted a little bit with the family's daughter, our friend's daughter. Helped her crochet a little bit. Then we went to the pharmacy right next door. It's like literally a 2-minute walk. All you had to do is cross this tiny side street and you were there. I mean, from the front door of their apartment building to the pharmacy was literally 2 minutes. I picked up, I believe it was 2 candles for them, a thing of paper towel, and I forget what else I got. I got myself something. Vaseline or something for my dry skin on my face. Just, soften my face a little bit and be able to peel some of the dryness off. And I forget what our friend had to get. But we were there, about a half hour. We were talking to the clerk. And then we were talking to another customer. So it was a nice trip. Got out, stood home. We were safe and out of the cold, so that's all I cared about. My God, a rain was blowing a second. You really had to be looking at it at the video to see it. Slowing down a little bit, but not much. But I am definitely going to do this a half hour. In my half-hour video yesterday, I got a lot of thunder. The other two, I didn't get much thunder. Don't seem like I'm getting too much thunder in this one. But it's more than the two that didn't have much thunder. Maybe I'll keep this one a little longer, I'm not sure. I keep saying I don't want to do an hour, but I'm probably going to go more than a half hour maybe. I don't know yet. That first one with the rain Sunday was only 10 minutes because I was getting ready for worship, to listen into worship, or otherwise that one would have been at least a half hour as well. More lightning. It's the lightning I don't like. Our dogs don't like the lightning either. I mean the thunder. I don't know where, in the house yesterday, I'm calling Bella because I thought she was outside. So I'm calling out, after I made the video, I'm yelling out, Bella, 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 where are you? Then next thing I know, I turn around, I'm tripping over her. She must have been hiding here in the house. I'm just glad that she wasn't out in the rain. That poor dog got so scared of the big bang of thunder, one or two of big bangs of thunder. She must have been, I don't know, hiding under the couch, under a pillow on one of the couches, and I just didn't see her. But she got really scared yesterday. The Chihuahuas were always scared of the rain. Well, in New York, we only had Sweetie. We didn't have Precious. We got Precious down here. And Sweetie and whatever Chihuahuas we had in New York, they were always afraid of the thunder. Maybe the lightning too, I'm not sure, but definitely the thunder. But now they can't talk, so it's scary for them. They don't know what it is. All they feel is this rumbling and banging and whatever it is that the thunder's doing. It's only so quiet because I'm home alone at the moment. Sometimes you gotta do your appointments when you gotta do them. If only we knew the weather when we made our appointments. Well, if anybody needs an excuse to stay in, feel free to play one of my rain videos. I know I'm a few seconds over 30 minutes. I might go another minute or two. My Texan friend, if I put you to sleep, sorry. I should purposely make this an hour to get on your nerves, my Texan friend. You know I love you, my Texan friend. Oh heck, if I'm putting both of my Texan friends to sleep, sorry. Between Florida and Texas, if it's not raining, it's extremely hot. The only thing Texas gets that Florida doesn't is snow. Heck, if Florida got snow, I think the state would shut down. And that would just be over flurries. Now I might shut this off at 45 minutes because I have the hour and 3-minute video with rain. I have a half-hour video with rain. I have a 25-minute video with rain and a 10-minute video with rain. So I think I'm going to cut this off at 45 minutes. So that's why we have different stages of rain videos. And hopefully in the meantime we'll get some more thunder and lightning in the video. think I saw another little flash of lightning. I was trying to keep quiet for a bit so everybody could enjoy the sounds of the rain. Sorry, I'm playing around with the phone a minute. I thought the tree seemed a little closer than what it was. I'm gonna go about 8 more minutes with this and then call it a day so I could start uploading it. At least the lawnmower was nice and clean. Just a handle to the lawnmower. Getting a nice bath these last couple of days. Getting to the point where we can't see too much out this window with all the rain. I'm gonna go another 5 minutes and call it quits. I'm going to say it now. Have a great rest of your day, a great rest of your week. Happy Tuesday. And please wash your hands, use sanitizer, wear your mask, and when you go out, try and do everything at once so you're not in and out 5 million times. Save on your mask as well. I have reusable masks and disposable ones. I use the reusable ones for the most part, and it's not a problem washing them. We have a washer and dryer. Even if we didn't have a washer and dryer, I have a tiny little garbage can in my shed somewhere. It's inside, I just forget where. That I could always put them in, soak them in warm water and bleach if need be. The garbage can gets ruined from the bleach. Oh well. It's just a garbage can. But please, with this corona, if you don't bleach your clothes, please bleach them. Clorox bleach for the white clothes and whites only. Clorox 2 for everything else, whether it be white and blue, white and green, green only, blue only, whatever. But bleach everything to help keep the germs to bay. I know most of us don't like the smell of bleach or vinegar. Please use all those to get your house clean. Clorox wipes, whatever you got to do to keep your home sanitized. Some places are better than others with the pandemic, but let's continue to do our part to sanitize, do our grocery shopping, or eating out, or doctor appointments, getting our cup of coffee all at once. Get home, stay home, be safe. 3 more minutes and I'm calling it quits. Peace out, everybody. Be safe. Be kind to yourself, those that you live with, family, friends, neighbors. Peace out, everybody. God bless and be safe.